In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to apply for a Milestone Credit Card online. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now, in the search box, type in Milestone Credit Card Apply and hit search. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one. You'll be directed to official website of it. Now here you're going to find the option of apply now. Click on that. This will take you to the application form where you'll need to enter your personal details. Start by typing first name, middle, initial if you have one, and your last name. Then enter your home address, including unit number if applicable, followed by city, state, and zip code. Next, provide your contact information such as your email address and phone number. After that, you'll be asked to enter your date of birth and social security number for identity verification. Then move on to financial details, including your total monthly income, estimated month expenses. Once you have filled out all the required fields, scroll down and review the terms and conditions carefully. It's important to understand the fees, interest rates, and card policies before proceeding. After reviewing everything, check the box to accept the terms. Finally, click on Submit or Continue button to send your application. After submission, the system will review your details and may provide a decision within minutes, or it may take a bit longer depending on your verification. And that's it. This is how you can easily apply it for a Milestone Credit Card online. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.